Going to sing
Everyone stand in a circle and I'll pass around this paper. In this paper, you should write your name to identify the paper is yours. After that, I'll tell you guys a story about the Wright family. During this story, if you hear the word right, you pass it to your right, and when you hear the word left, you pass it to your left. At the end of the story, see if you get your own paper back. Once upon a time, when you write Larry right, you write education. You write left for school, for the right education. Only left the whole plate of leftovers had to eat during the right education. This mistake left Billy's parents in the dark. By the end of the week, all the rights wished they had never left. Once upon a time, Mrs. Wright took her 3 left-handed children, Wendy Wright, Larry Wright, Lily Wright, on the field trip. They left on a Monday and Sunday just before the ice Once upon a time, Mrs. Wright took the 3 left-handed children, Wendy Wright, Larry Wright, and Billy Wright on the field. They left on a Monday and planned to return just before the Thanksgiving holiday. Billy Wright left from school for the right vacation. Wendy left the whole place. Once upon a time, Mrs. Wright took the 3 left children, Wendy Wright, Larry Wright, and Billy Wright. Billy Wright, Larry Wright, and Billy Wright. Left on a Monday and planned to return just before the Thanksgiving. Billy Wright left for school to the right. Wendy left a whole plate of leftovers for cat during the right vacation.
In this game, teams need to pay full attention on listening to the facilitator's instructions. Listening is key to all effective communication. Without the ability to listen attentively, the words being spoken by someone can be easily misunderstood. This game can train teams to have good attentive listening skills to prevent any miscommunication. It can also create a lot of laughter to relieve stress. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.